Hi everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a brush overlay effect in Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. For this brush overlay effect, we will apply some Premiere Pro built-in effects. By the way, this video is sponsored by Envato Elements. With Envato Elements, you gain access to an extensive library of high-quality music tracks, stock footage, video templates, graphic templates, presentation templates, and much more. With one subscription, you get unlimited downloads, so you can explore and experiment without any limits. Envato Elements integrates seamlessly with popular creative software like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. So, you can work effortlessly with your favorite tools. No matter the scale of your project, Envato Elements offers unbeatable value. Embrace your creativity and elevate your projects with Envato Elements. I will give the link in the description and you will get extra bonus. Alright, now let's go to the tutorial. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see in the timeline, I have got a free video clip from Mixkit. Now, we have to apply some Premiere Pro built-in effects to create brush overlay effect. Let's move over to the effects panel to apply some effects. Firstly, I am going to use the brush strokes effect. Let's drag and drop this brush strokes effect to this video clip. Again, I am going to apply another effect. This is an alpha adjust effect. Let's drag and drop this alpha adjust effect to this video clip. Again, we have to apply another effect. This is a posterize time effect. Let's drag and drop this posterize time effect into this video clip. Now, select the video clip and move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize all the effects. Firstly, here you can see the opacity panel. From the blend mode, we have to select Lighten. Next, you can see the brush strokes effect. Now, we have to make the stroke angle parameter value around 90 degrees. After that, we have to make the brush size parameter value around 5. Next, we have to make the stroke length value around 40. Now, you can see the changes on the program monitor. Also, you can see the stroke edges on the left side and the right side. After that, we have to make the stroke density value around 0. Now, you can see the stroke edges on the left side and the right side is too big. In the next step, we have to make the stroke randomness value around 2. From the paint surface parameter, we have to select paint on black. Now, you can see the brush overlay effect has been applied horizontally. Let's make the blend with original value, around 30%. Next, here you can see the alpha adjust effect. Now, click on this box of the Ignore Alpha to remove the stroke edges. Now you can see on the program monitor the stroke edges on the left side and the right side is removed. To remove the stroke edges, we need to enable the Ignore Alpha parameter. In the last step, from the posterize time effect, we have to make the frame rate around 7. Now we are done. As you can see on the program monitor, our brush overlay effect has been created. Now you can see, the brush overlay effect has been created horizontally. If you need a vertical brush overlay effect, you have to make a slight change. From the brush strokes effect, we have to make the stroke angle parameter value around 0 degrees. Now you can see the brush overlay effect has been created vertically. In this way, you can create a brush overlay effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.